प्रार्थना श्लोकेन आरम्भं कुर्मः। ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। So I'll share the screen. Last class we talked about like Ramas, Krishnas, the possessive form, the Sashti Vibhakti. So Ramas is Ramasya. Krishna will be Krishnasya. For plural, let's say there are many Ramas, then it becomes Ramanam, Krishnanam. Okay. For Sita, for an Akaranta Strilinga Padam, it will become what? If I have to say Sita's pen, then I will say Sitayaha
Lekani.
Sitayaha Lekani. Sudayaha Ankani. Radhayaha Valyam.
We learned that for Ekavachanam different, Dvivachanam different, and Bahuvachanam different. For this also it is.
For everything it is different. So the class that you saw, that is Ekavachana. The class that you still did not see, they must have taught Bahuvachana. And today we will talk about, after we revise this, we will talk about like I eat with my hand. So hand is the instrument, Upakaranam. So what is the sadhanam?
Object.
What is the sadhanam? Yedavacha I am doing it. Yedavacha I am eating. I am eating with my hand. So the sadhanam, the instrument that helps me in performing the eating action. What is helping me in performing the eating action?
Hand.
Hand. So hastam. So hastena. Hastaha will become hastena. Like that.
Hastena kadati. Like
hastena aham kadami.
Aham kadami.
I eat. Or if it is the Strilinga Shabda, it will be ya. So if I say no, hastaha is the Pullinga Shabda. Strilinga Shabda, we have to add ya.
Okay.
So it will be hasta. You cannot say hastaha is a Pullinga word. Why are you coming to hasta? You have to think. You have to think of a Strilinga word. So that you have to add ya. Napumsakalinga, it will be the same as Pullinga.
Then for okay, if any Strilinga Shabda comes, you'll add with ya. For example, means malana, malaya.
Malaya.
Hasta.
So that only we are going to learn today. So this is just revision of last class. Ramaha, ipo vandu Pullinga. In Pullinge, Ramaha becomes Ramasya.
Yeah.
So Ramasya Ankani, Ramasya Banaha. Krishna.
This is Rama's pen, like that way, no?
Correct. Rama's, Krishna's pen, Devasya. So, but in Bahuvachana, how will it change?
Ramanam. Many Rama's pen.
Many Rama's pen. Or you can say let's suppose say the Raja of these people is Rama. Rama is the Raja of these people.
And then Praja. Prajana.
You use so Prajanam Raja. Jananam Rajah. Jananam Maharajah. Sri Rama. Like that. Or what can you say?
Voting. Voting, we can say, no. For many people are voting for Prime Minister.
That is for. We are saying Udaya of. The Raja of these people. Udaya is the thing we are talking about. That is for. That is a different case. Okay. So what is the question you will ask? Kasya and Kesham. Kasya, yarudayadu. Kesham, yavargaludayadu.
Then we will be saying Kasya is whom, no?
யாருடைய.
யாரோடனா?
நான் ஏன் வந்து தமிழ்ல சொல்றேன்னா because you understand Tamil and
Yeah.
தமிழ்ல when it is easier to relate
Understand.
rather than some people may be watching this recording but I want to talk in both the English and
Then
Tamil so
if
it
you
is
saying
easier to
like Kasya,
so if I say Kasya Kasya putraha Shriramah
Srirama Dasharatha Putraha.
Dasharathasya putraha
Okay, okay, okay.
Dasharathas
Dasharathasya Putraha.
केषां राजा श्रीरामः
Prajanam
प्रजानां राजा जनानां राजा श्रीरामः like that. So now if you do the same thing in Strilinga, it will be Sitayaha and in Bahuvachanam Sitanam, Balikayaha in Bahuvachanam Balikanam. Okay. Now what happens if it's an E-karanta Strilinga Shabda? Janani. So you remove the E. You have to remove the E and add Yaha. Jananyaha and Jananina.
Then whatever Vyanjana is there, we'll make it half Vyanjana.
Yes. That is the case in what also?
That I have to refresh.
Yeah, you have to keep reading it.
Keep on drives.
So Jananyaha and Jananina. Okay, so here also you can have example. Kasyaha putraha Shri Krishnaha. Kasyaha putraha Shri Krishnaha.
Yashodhyaha
Yashodayaha.
Yashodayaha putraha Shri Krishnaha.
If you want to say Devaki's putraha, how will you say?
Devakyaha
putraha Shri Krishna.
putraha Shri Krishna.
Like that. Astu. This is again for Napumsakalingam. It's the same form as the Pullinga. Palasya Palana. It's very disturbing, no? 1 minute. Yeah, Palasya Palanam Vastrasya Vastrana. So Kasya Vastraha Kasyaha Yetam Vastram you can ask. Or Kasya Yesha Lekani, something like that.
Like in what type of pen?
No, you want to use Napumsakalingam, no? What is that? Palam. Kasya Varnaha, Kasya Palasya Varnaha, Pitaha, which fruit's color is yellow? Kasya Palasya Varnaha Pitaha. So you would say Amra Palasya.
Ama Falasya. Okay, Falasya. Okay. Amasya you cannot say.
Amra, no, I don't think so. Amra Palasya Varnaha.
Falasya Varna Pitamvar.
Pitaha. Okay, so now today's topic is Kena. Kenana, by whom, with whom?
By whom, with whom?
With whom? By whom, with whom? So, by whom is with, we'll see. Yeah, please read, no? First.
Balika Chamsena Khadati.
Chamasena.
Chamasena Khadati. The girl eats with a spoon. Janani Deepena Pujayati. Mother does puja with a lamp. Sikshakaha Sudha Kandena Likhati. Teacher writes with a chalk piece.
So here what you're saying, these are all instruments. So
like a lamp, a chalk piece, and
spoon, they're all instruments. How are you doing an action? If something is helping you to do that action, you should always use it in Tritiya Vibhakti. It will become so, Pullinga Shabda will become Ena, you have to add.
Ena.
So Chamasaha, these are all Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. So Chamasaha, Chamasena, Deepaha, Deepena, Sudha Kanda, Sudha Kandena. So form like this is an Abhyasa where Where the blue words are the sadhanams, the upakarnams, the instruments. So we have to form a sentence. So for example, what can I say?
Balika
Balika
ratena
gachati.
gachati.
Or you can say aham chashake என்ன இருக்கு காதாமி இருக்கா or you
Aham
can
dandena
இல்ல ஜனகः தண்டேன தாடயதி. The father beats with the stick. ஜனகः தண்டேன தாடயதி.
தாடயதி. Hasta is writing hand. What is chashkah?
चषकः tumbler, glass, tumbler, glass.
Aham chashakah pibati. I am drinking from a glass.
Actually, it should be chashakena. That's the whole exercise. Yeah, but then pibati varadilya when it is aham, it will be ami.
People ami, yes.
But so they have given ami only for kadami.
Kadami.
So in that sense, you can say aham hastena.
Hastena kadami, eating with the hand.
I eat with the hand. Then nripaha.
What is nipra? Nipra?
King.
Huh?
King, Raja. Nripaha.
No, one more doubt I have. We can say aham hastena prayanam karoti.
Prayanam is journey.
Oh, journey. Okay, I thought prana. Okay, sorry.
Prana. No. Prayanam. In olden days, they'll ask, no, how was the prayanam? யாரோ ஊருக்கு போயிட்டு வந்தா they'll ask பிரயாணம் எப்படி இருந்தது, which means journey. பிரயாணம் means journey.
So nipraha,
nripaha,
king. Then king will only give punishment, no? If you see in all of this.
You can say dandena tadayati. Because the king will not hit. The king will probably ratena prayanam. No, you can say nripaha ratena prayanam karoti.
Okay. Okay. He travels with the chariot.
Then saha.
Hastena pibati.
Hastena pibati. Or you can say saha gate jalam anayati.
What is gate? Gate
pot. So he is bringing jalam anayati.
With the pot.
He is bringing water in a pot or with the help of a pot.
Devaha garudena gachati.
Garudena gachati or garudena. Devaha garudena gachati. So the basic idea is whatever is helping you to do an action, those words will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. For an Akaranta Pullinga word, you have to add ena or ekavachana. So what is the question you will ask? Like we asked kasya for Sashti Vibhakti, the possessive form. Here we'll ask kena. Patatu?
Balika kena khadati. Janani balika chamasena khadati. Janani kena pujayati. Janani deepena pujayati. Shikshakah kena likhati. Shikshakah sudhakandena likhati.
So kena is with what? Here. You can also ask by what. You'll see that. Strilinga. So Strilinga, I told you, no, mala will become malaya. So that will go away. You have to remember that mala akaranta Strilinga will go away. You have
akaranta
to add.
Become normal. Akaranta.
It will become mala plus ya.
Yeah.
So Sudha will become Sudaya. Like that. Patatu?
Even Ukaranta and all will become, will change to ya,
Yeah. So in the last example, you say Lekani, no? In Lekani, E goes away. Last example, E will go away and you will add ya. So Lekanya. So that is the instrument.
Chatraha Dvichakrikya gachati.
Dvichakrikaya.
Kaya gachati. The student goes by a bicycle. Mahila Malaya Alankaroti.
Alankaroti.
The woman decorates with a garland. Balika Lekanya Likati. The girl writes with a pen.
So again here, the bicycle, the mala and the pen are all instruments, upakaranam. So a is removed and ya is added.
Astum.
Exercise. Bhavan.
Bhavan.
So
Nauka. Ankanya. Ankanya.
Ankanya.
Kanya.
Likatu.
Likatu. Ankanya is this thing only, no? Decorating only, no?
Ankanya means pencil.
Okay. Alankaram. Okay, sorry.
Alankaram is Alankaroti. Okay. Bhavan Ankani Likatu. What is Likatu?
Right, to write.
Likatu is when you tell it is not Likati, it is not Halikat, it is not Lekishyati. It is Likatu. What is Likatu? Likatu, I don't know if you saw, you didn't see the last class, no? I think
No.
there only they talked about Lot Lakara. Where you tell the person, you write. If somebody is there in front of you, a man, then you say Bhavan Ninga, write with a pen. Likatu. So you cannot say Bhavan Likati or Bhavan Halikat or Bhavan Lekishyati. When you tell somebody in the valley Panga, do this work, you will use Lot Lakara, which will be Likatu. Last class recording you see, you will understand what I'm saying.
So who will become your commanding to be instruction?
So when it's an order, it's an instruction. It is an instruction, then you use the Lot Lakara, which is Likatu.
Then everything we turn into Ukaranta.
Not everything. It has, just like we say Likati, Lika, Likami, Likavaha, Likamaha, that form is there, no?
Astum, yes,
Similarly, for Lot also there's a form.
Astum. I just see that I will go through it.
Yeah.
Sa Rangavalya. Rangavalya is kolam only, no?
Rangavalya is kolam.
Sa Rangavalya.
Alankaroti. So sa Griham Rangavalya Alankaroti. Vitai Alankarital. Okay. Janani.
Vaidya. Vaidya.
No. Rugnaha only Vaidya will come. Rugnaha means
disease.
Diseased person. I mean, not diseased person. Patient. Person having a disease.
What I was trying now, even the mother is a doctor, like a doctor, and I tried like that.
Oh, okay. Janani.
What is Velani?
What is Velani? Velani is that this thing. Velan.
Okay. Appo Janani Velanya Kotikam Pachati.
Correct.
Ruganaha Vaidya.
You have to remove the A and add ya.
Vaidya.
Vaidyaya.
Oh, Vaidyaya. Okay. Vaidyaya. Chikitsam
Prapnoti. So
Chikitsa is surgery only, no? Curing. Chikitsa
is treatment.
Okay.
So the patient receives treatment
from the
by
doctor.
the doctor. By the doctor is the
by the doctor. Vayam. Gatya.
Vayam vanda, what will be the ending?
Vayam is I.
Vayam is we all. Ending will be maha. Ending will be maha.
So Tarama.
Taramaha. Taramaha is swim or cross.
So Vayam Naukaya Taramaha.
Super. Vayam Naukaya Taramaha.
Saha. Gati. Gatya.
Gati is watch. So it will give
Samyam Janati.
समयं
समयं जानाति
सः गट्या समयं
समयं
जानाति
जानाति I was the clock I was the time by the clock say
ஐயே இல்லையே அகம் இருந்தா தான்
सः
ஐயே சஹ இஸ்
सः
he so
he
he
watch
knows the time by the with the watch
by the watch okay
by the watch or with the watch. The watch is the instrument. Gati is clock. Hastagati is watch.
अस्तु it is little rusty I have to again sit and see it
Yeah, yeah. You punaha, if you see, na, you will get it.
अस्तु
Then, Chatra.
this then it will be same only no like we'll be adding kasya
Yeah,
because
le. Kasya, forget kasya. This is ena. So,
okay
hastena.
yes napusangam
Napumsakalingam. Ena. So, for example, what will be here? Sikshakaha.
शिक्षकः
First
पुस्तकेन
will be patayati. Sikshakaha patayati. Patayati means teach. Teacher
teach.
teaches. He uses what to teach?
पुस्तकेन
Okay. Pustakena patayati.
पाठयति
Shikshakaha pustakena
पुस्तकेन
patayati. Like that, Chatra.
छात्रा सूत्रं सूत्रेण ಇಲ್ಲ सूत्रेण श्लोक सुनिनो
Sutrena sloka or thread, anything you can say.
सूत्रेण कार्यं करोति छात्रा
What?
ಇಲ್ಲ no
Okay, you leave that, try aham. Because aham means only me will come. So sandesham preshayami, because others are, there are no me's.
अहं पत्रेण सन्देशं प्रेषयामि
So I
right
preshaya, send message
through letter
correct now bhavati so the ending will be tu because it's an order yeah bhavati neenga you
bhavati
krinatu so krinatu is to buy so we are telling her to a lady we are saying you buy something so no, not you buy something you buy with something
ಸಂಗಣಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ
sorry ಇಲ್ಲ you buy with something what do you need to buy money
नाणकेन क्रीणातु भवति नाणकेन ओके money
नाणकेन क्रीणातु then so only two are remaining
sorry सः सः लोकायेन
लोकयानम will become लोकयानेन
okay लोकयानेन
actually it will be chatra लोकयानेन विद्यालयं गच्छति Leah, the girl student goes to school through the bus by the bus लोकयानेन छात्रा लोकयानेन विद्यालयं गच्छति okay
okay महिला सूत्रेण मालं गुम्फति in a string
ஆமா गुम्फति so she is tying a mala
flowers with the
thread so mahila sutrena malam gumpati then saha sanganakena
karyam karoti
he does work with the computer okay so again kena same kena for napumsakalinga also for Strilinga, it will be Kaya. I don't know whether they include. Yeah.
Then Keshya for this thing. Now, Pullinga.
Kena only. Kena
sorry,
only.
Kena. Sorry.
Patatu.
बालकाः केन क्रीडन्ति बालकाः कन्दुकेन क्रीडन्ति भक्तः केन शिवं पूजयति
Hmm.
भक्तः दुग्धेन
Hmm.
शिवं पूजयति
Hmm.
what is दुग्धेन
Pal. Dugdam means
pal
pal.
दुग्धेन
Milk. So the Bhaktaha with milk
अभिषेकं
worships Shiva.
जनाः केन परायणं कुर्वन्ति
It is not Parayanam, Prayanam.
प्रयाणं
Hmm.
प्रयाणं कुर्वन्ति
Hmm.
जनाः विमानेन
Hmm.
प्रयाणं
Prayanam.
कुर्वन्ति
Hmm.
going how you did you travel I went by plane
How did people travel?
how did people travel they travel by plane
Plane. Okay, so again, ball is the instrument with which the boys are playing.
plane
Milk is the instrument with which the Bhaktaha worships
or
Lordship.
worshipping Lord Shiva.
And the plane, Vimanam, is the instrument with which the people travel. That's why it is Kandukena, Dugdena, Vimanena. So we have to translate. The boy walks by foot.
बालकः what is name
Chalati.
चलनेन युक्तं no
Why?
sorry
What is the instrument?
walk is foot walk is an instrument
Walk is the instrument. எதை வச்சு நடக்கிறாங்க?
foot
Foot is the instrument.
foot instrument
So balakah. What is the word for foot?
पादुकेन
Padaha. Paduka is chapel. Padaha is foot. So
पादेन
padaha.
चलति
Balakah. Padena chalati. Samyak. Samyak. The old man drinks water with a cup.
वृद्धः पिबेन
Why pibena?
sorry वृद्धः cup is
Chashakah.
चषकेन पिबति
Kim pibati?
இது जलं पिबति
Jalam pibati. Vriddaha chashakena jalam pibati. Mother spanks the boy with hand.
जननी
Tadayati.
दंडेन we can give
Dandena illa. Dandena na kuchi. Dandaha is kuchi.
Dandena what about punishment then?
You can say tadayati. Tadayati is to hit. Dandayati is to punish.
जननी ताडयति हस्तेन बालकः
Balakam.
sorry
Why it is balakam? Correct. Yarai, who is she beating?
Yes.
Who is she beating? The
Balakam.
answer is balakah.
Like Ramena, that one we should apply here.
Sita sees Rama.
Ramam.
Sita Ramam pashyati. It will not be Sita Ramaha pashyati is wrong. Sita Ramam pashyati. Similarly, Janani hastena balakam tadayati. The woman carries money with the bag.
Mahila. See, we can use Mahila, no?
Correct. Mahila only you should use.
Three. What was three?
Three also you can use, but Mahila is easy. Akaranta Strilinga Shabda, no? You can use, change it to Mahilaya, Mahilayaha, all words you can use.
Mahila. What is that for money?
Dhanam.
Okay. Mahila. Dhanam. Bag is
Syutaha.
Syutena.
Anayati is to bring, Nayati is to take, carry, I don't know what they have put. Nayati only. Nayati is to take or carry is Nayati.
Mahila Syutena Dhanam Nayati. She cuts vegetable. Esha
or Sa.
Esha.
Illati Sa. You can use either one.
Esha. Cut is
Kartayati.
Kattayati.
Hmm.
Vegetable is subject, subject.
Shakani.
Shakani.
Hmm.
Knife.
Churika.
Churikena.
Churika.
Shikats. Vegetable knife is the object, no? Instrument.
Instrument. So churika will change to
Churikena.
how? Is it a Pullinga Shabda?
No. Churika. No, it is a Strilinga.
It's Strilinga. Akaranta Strilinga.
Karan is Strilinga.
So then A should be removed and add ya.
Yeah. Churikaya.
Churikaya.
Say Churikaya.
That's all. So
Eshaha.
sa. Okay. Esha or sa. Kartayati. Churikaya kartayati.
Kattayati.
Kim kartayati? Shakani kartayati.
Shakani.
Sa churikaya shakani
Kartayati.
kartayati.
We
Aham.
open the lock with the key. Aham. All Hindi words are coming to me.
Yeah, like that only it will be for me also. Mostly Hindi words only will come. For me also it's like that only. Aham. What is for key? Kunchika.
Aham. Kunjikena.
No, Kunchika is
key is only the object, no? Instrument we are opening with.
correct. But is it a Pullinga Shabda?
It's Strilinga. Kunjikaya. Kunjikaya.
Kunchikaya. Aham Kunchikaya. Lock is what? Talaha.
Talaha.
Udgatayami.
Udgata is inaugurating only, no, mother?
Huh?
Udgatayani is inaugurating only, no?
No, I don't know about inaugurating.
In Hindi it is called inaugurating.
Udgatayami is the inaugurating. This word.
Udgata in Hindi it is known as inaugurating.
I don't know. I don't know. Okay, here I wanted to say this talaha will become talam.
Okay, it is with what we are opening. We are opening with talam. We are opening talam with key.
What are you opening? The answer is talam. Talaha. So it will become talam. With what you are opening will be which will
Tala is this thing. Pullinga Shabda.
Talaha is Pullinga. So it will become talam.
Talam. First. Sishuhu. Dugdam. Dugdam. Bottle is
Koopy.
Kupena Pibati.
Koopy is a Strilinga Shabda.
Kupaya.
Koopaya illa. Koopy, like if you remove E, what will remain?
Kupaya.
Only coop will remain. With to coop, you have to add ya. In koopy, remove E, what will remain?
Yeah.
Only coop will remain.
Coop will remain, you should add ya. Kupaya.
Yeah. So it is koopya, not koopaya. It is koopya. Like Jananya, Lekanya. Like that.
Sishu, Dugdam, Kupya, Pibati.
Pibati. Bhima fights with the Gada.
Bhimaha. Fight is.
Fight is what is fight?
Yuddham. Yuddhena.
Yuddham karoti.
Gadena Yuddham karoti. Sorry, Gadya.
It's not Gadya, it is Gadaya.
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 But Gada is Strilinga Shabda only, no?
Correct. That's why it is not Gadena. It should be Gadaya. Because Gada is a Strilinga Shabda.
I thought Gada was a Pullinga Shabda. Sorry. I said Ulta. I thought it was Pullinga Shabda.
No. Gada is a Strilinga Shabda. So it is Gadaya. The old woman sees with spectacles.
Old woman is. Again, I can say Vriddha only, no?
Vriddha.
Vriddha. Just see. Vriddha.
Upanetram.
Upanetram. uh,
What is Upanetram? That is the instrument.
instrument, that is
Hmm.
spectacles.
Because it is the Upanetram instrument.
Pashyati.
Pashyati. So,
Upatre-
Vriddha.
Vriddha upanetrani. Upanetra. Upanetra means spectacles. Naputsangalingam, no?
Yeah, correct.
Oh.
So, to add ena.
Upanetrena
Correct. Super.
pashyati.
So, Vriddha Upanetrena
Nena
Pashyati. Samyak. She prays to God with flower.
Saha, sa,
Saha
Fulan,
Pushpam.
Pushpani, Pushpaya, Pushpena,
Super. Sa Pushpena.
Devaha Samarpayami.
Pujayati is correct.
Pujayati. Devaha Pujayati.
Why Devaha? Who is
See,
she?
Devam Puja.
Why
Puja.
Devam?
Because Pullinga Shabdaha and it is.
Why Devam? Because Yarai Pujikiral. Who is she?
Who are worshipping?
So God becomes the object.
Object.
So Devaha will become Devam.
Devam.
Sa Pushpena Devam Pujayati.
Pujayati.
Samyak. We speak with mouth.
Vina Vayam.
Vayam. Mukam.
Mukam. Vayam Mukena.
Vadati.
Vadati.
But Vayam irukku. So it will be
Vadish.
Vada.
Vadami.
Vadamaha.
Vadamaha.
Vayam Mukena Vadamaha.
You all play with the
ball.
you know it is
Vam Yuvam Yuyam.
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 Kandukena
Samyak.
Kridanti.
Kridani.
Kridana.
Kridatha.
Kridatha.
Kridantu. Acha, here it is an order mari kuduthirukanga. What we said was use panna kridatha will be correct. So kandukena kridatha. But if you use bhavan, bhavantav, bhavantaha, like with respect, then you say bhavantaha kandukena kridantu.
You said lot lakar, lot, no, is this?
Lot, correct. Lot.
But bhavant, if we don't use this, no, we can use that, no?
Yes. Depends on bhavan, bhavataha is with respect. Yuvam is without respect.
But you all play with the ball is not an instruction at all, no?
Actually, அங்க ஒரு exclamation போட்டிருந்தா you all go play with the ball. Then it would have. That is what in English, when you translate it, sometimes you would this thing is not there.
That is why here and there when they transfer scriptures and all, it is different.
Correct. Subhashitam. Can you read?
Yes, Astum. Danena tulyam surhadasti nanyo lobacha nanyo sti ripuhu pritivyam vibhushanam shilasmam Shilasamam na chanyatta santosh tulyam dhanamasti nanyat.
So danena tulyam suhurdasti nanyo lobhascha nanyosti ripuhu pritivyam vibhushanam shilasamam na chanyat santosha tulyam dhanamasti nanyat. Wherever this nanya means na anya.
That is donating.
Danena is donating. So tulyam means
with respect,
similar to like that. That is why in temple and all you go, no, there will be something called tulabharam.
Yes.
Tula
Krishna
means
Rukmini.
idukku equal idu. So it's a balance. There will be a balance. On one side people will set, the other side they'll give whatever fruit.
Krishna Rukmini.
Krishna Rukmini. Rukmini will set my weight. Then one tulasi they put. Then yeah. So that story we know. So that tula means tulya means equal or similar. So for a person, Suhrad is friend. Okay, who is a good friend? Only his character to give, his attitude of giving, danam pandra character is like a friend, nothing else. Na anyaha, na anyaha, nothing else. Similarly, in Prithvi, in this Prithvi, who is the enemy? This Lobha, the greed only is enemy, nothing else. Na anyaha, nothing else. In Prithvi, the enemy for a person is his greed, nothing else. Vibhushanam Sheela Samam na cha anyat. So he can wear many ornaments, many Vibhushanams a person can wear. But what is the best? Nothing else is as good as that is na Sheela. The character, the humbleness, that is the Sheela Samam Vibhushanam Nasti. There is no ornament equal to his good character or humility. That is Sheela Sama. And the last line is very important. Can money bring happiness? We don't know. Santosha tulyam dhanamasti na anyat. Na anyat. So there is no dhanam, there is no wealth that is equal to contentment or happiness.
Satisfaction.
Yeah, satisfaction or contentment. There is nothing equal to. So how much ever money you have, if there is no happiness, there is no meaning to it. That is what it says. You have any question? Should I repeat?
No, I just see the previous classes, then I'll ask Mahavir.
Okay.
That lot and all I see, lot lakara and all I see. And
Okay. No, I'm asking specifically for this Subhashitam.
no, this I've understood, Mahavir, clearly.
Okay, super. Astu. So what are the things that we have learned already? Kaha ka kim. These are all the questions that we can ask. All ka mo. Except for this, it's all ka only. Kaha ka kim kati. So kaha with the answer will be saha yeshaha. Ka will be sa yesha. Kim will be tatetat.
So ka is pullinga, ka is strilinga, kim is napunsakalinga.
Napunsakalinga, yes. Kim here is object that you're asking. Kati is how many? Pancha, Ashta, Ekadasha. Kada is when, yepo. Adya, today, Shvaha, tomorrow, Pratakale in the morning.
But evening is Syamakale.
Sayankale. Kutra is where? Atra tatra. Rame, Sitayam, Nadyam, Vane. This also we learned. All this we have learned already. Kasya is Yarudaya, whose it is. Balakasya, Balikayaha. And this class we learned Kena, with whom or by whom.
Balakena, Balika, Nadya, Pustakena, Itya.
Yeah, so like that. Same thing. Again they have given. Same thing is repeated. So the first vibhakti, the karta, Ramaha, Ramaha, the karta, when Rama is the doer. What form he'll take? Ramaha or Ramaha. When Rama is the object, it will change to Ramam. Rama. In plural, Bahuvachanam, Raman. Now, Kena, this is the Tritiya Vibhakti, Upakarana, which is the instrument that you use. So it will be Ramena. Bahuvachanam we'll learn next class. Then the Shashti Vibhakti, Kasya Kesha, which shows the Sambandham. Relationship. It's a Ramasya, Rama's shirt, Rama's friend. So Ramasya in Ekavachanam. Ramanam in Bahuvachanam.
So Ramayana is like a relation, like that we can say.
Yeah, so if you have to say that, let's say there are Parasurama, Balarama, and many other Ramas. So it's a Rama, and they all have an uncle. let's say his name is whatever, I don't know, some Ganesh. So then you say Ramanam Matulaha Ganesha. இந்த
Yes.
ராமர்களுடைய uncle is Ganesh.
Ganesh.
So that is the Sambandha. Kutra. Kutra is the
Place.
place. Saptami Vibhakti. Seventh Vibhakti, the Sthalam. So it will be Rame, Rameshu. So I can say Rame doesn't need not be a specific location. I can say Mama Bhaktihi Rame Asti. என்னுடைய பக்தி is in Rama. ராமரிடத்தில் என் பக்தி இருக்கிறது. I have bhakti in Rama.
Just place.
So that's not a place. Rama is actually not a physical place, yeah.
Like any type, even mental space.
Exactly. That's what I mean. Same thing for Strilinga. The karta will be Nadi Nadyah. The Dvipidi.
Nadim Nadihi. Upakarnam Nadya.
Nadya. Upakarnam is the instrument.
Instrument.
Today we learned that you have to remove E and add Ya.
Yeah.
Then the Sambandham. The Shashti Vibhakti.
Kasyaha. Kasa.
So it will be Nadya. Nadinam. Nadyaha Namaha. Nadyaha Nama Kim. Nadyaha Nama Ganga.
Ganga. Okay, Ganga. Sorry.
Ganga. Gange you say when you call. When you call somebody, Gange Yamune. Like that. Kutra is the Saptami Vibhakti, the Sthalam. Nadyam Nauka Asti. Nadishu Nauka Asti.
Many, both are in many rivers, no?
Yeah. Naukaha Santi. Nadishu Naukaha Santi. Same for Napumsakalingam.
Kim Kani. Karta is Phalam Phalani. Karma Padam is Phalam Phalani.
Same, it will not change.
Kena Upakarnam Phalena. Just like Pullinga Shabda.
Correct.
Kasya Kesham Sambadana. Phalasya Phalanam. It's also like this thing, Pullinga Shabda.
Pullinga. Akaranta Pullinga Shabda and Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda will form the same form. Except for the Karma Padam.
Then Kutra's Talam is Phale Phaleshu. Same.
Correct. Same. That's all. So now in Sanskritam, we know that everything comes from a root word, right?
Yes,
So it comes from, if a verb or a Kriya Padam varanuna, you need a Dhatu. To Dhatu, Pratyaya will be added. So here, Dhatu, you have to change it. Dhatu, you have to add Ting Pratyaya, you will have Ting and Tam. Don't worry what is Ting, Ti, Sup, Su, don't worry about it. Ting no nirku.
Yes.
Something that is called Ting. Okay, don't worry about it. Later on we'll learn what Ting is, what Sup is. Okay, so Dhatu, what you have to remember is, in Sanskritam, everything is an equation. Tomorrow you can come and form new words. You can take one Dhatu and you can add one Ting. And you can, and a verb will be formed. Puriyada, what I'm saying?
That's always.
இப்போ வந்து நவுன் வரணும்னா பிராத்திபதிகம்ல சுப்ரத்யய ஆட் பண்ணா you will get சுபந்தம், which means noun. நாமபதம். Namapadam, Kriyapadam. Two words are there. Action word and noun word. Kriyapadam and Namapadam.
Is it correct if you take Suprabhadam for all this?
Huh?
Suprabhadam. Will it be proper?
No, 1 minute. I don't think you what are you asking actually?
No, you said so, you have to add no. Like you have Suprabhadam and all. That all has a root word. Like that I'm asking.
No. See, Suprabhata and Prabhat. That word Prabhata means morning. Okay. So Prabhat, the thumb is added at the back.
Yes.
And in fact, it's not even Prabha. It is verum Bada. Baku munnadi pra add பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Praku munnadi su add பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Su pra ba has come. Ba is the dhatu.
Okay.
Ba is the dhatu. அதுக்கு பின்னாடி they have added tam. So that is how Suprabhatam has come.
Okay. So here su will be added before after.
இல்ல suன்றது is a name of a pratyaya. Su is not added.
Okay.
that's why I said don't get confused. இப்ப சம்ஸ்கிருதத்துல எல்லாமே வந்து ஈக்குவேஷன் தான். ஒரு ப்ரெஃபிக்ஸோ ஒரு சஃபிக்ஸோ ஆட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஒரு தாத்துவை எடுத்துப்பாங்க. வேர்புக்கு மட்டும் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன் நான், கிரியாபதம்க்கு மட்டும் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஒரு தாத்து எடுத்துப்பாங்க, பட்டுன்னு ஒரு தாத்து எடுத்துப்பாங்க, அதுக்கு ஒரு பிரத்யயை ஆட் பண்ணுவாங்க, திங்குன்னு ஒரு பிரத்யயை. அப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு பட்டத்தி, யூ வில் கெட் பட்டத்தி, பட்டாமி, பட்டாவக, பட்டாமக, ஆல் தட் யூ வில் கெட் ஒன்லி ஒரு தாத்துக்கு யூ ஆட் அ டி பிரத்யயா, ஒரு திங் பிரத்யயா. நாமபதம்க்கு அதே மாதிரி, how did Ramaha become Ramena? How did Rama become Rameshu? How Ramanam? How did Rama become Ramam? Because one supernra or pratyaya is added to that pratipadikam.
Okay.
When I say Harihi, I always ask what is the kind of shabda. Then you tell me ikaranta pullinga shabda. What is the pratipadikam for Harihi? Hari is the pratipadikam. So what kind of word is Harihi? Ikaranta pullinga ikaranta pullinga Hari shabda. Hari shabda.
So that's why we say akaranta pullinga Rama shabda. Like that.
Rama shabda. ஆனா வந்து first என்ன சொல்றோம்? ராமஹ தான் சொல்றோம். இப்ப ராம சப்தஹ, how did Rama become Ramah?
We added sup.
Sup is many pratyas. Sup is not just one pratyaya. We have many pratyas. Okay. So to pratipadikam we have added sup to get all this Rama, Hari, Giri, Nari, all this. For verbs like patami, patati, likami, likavaha, all kriya padams, dhatuku we add ting pratyayam.
Oh, custom. So for verbs we add ting and all.
For verbs the pratyaya is ting. For noun the pratyaya is sup. For namapadam we will add pratipadikathukku da sup add பண்ணுவோம்.
Okay.
To get namapadam. Dhatukku da we will add ting to get kriyapadam. Did I confuse you or is it clear? Yeah, I'll tell you one more time. Yeah, initially it will be confusing, then it's easy. So this to the dhatu, because எல்லாமே வந்து ஒரு வேர்டு ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும்னா ஒரு ரூட் வேர்டும் ஒரு பிரத்யேகம் ஆட் பண்ணணும்னா தான் வேர்டு கிடைக்கும். சம்ஸ்கிருதத்துல ஒரு ரூட்டுக்கு ஒரு பிரத்யேக ஆட் பண்ணினா தான் you will get a word.
So for padam, prakriti is the root word, no? Dhatu.
Padamna any word.
Oh, okay.
Other வந்து two words we are splitting. One is the kriya padam, the other one is the nama padam. Kriya padamna என்ன? Action word like patati. Patatina நம்மளுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? தாத்துக்கு we have to add thing.
Oh, okay. So prakriti plus pratyaya plus equal to padam is our formula.
Is the formula, general formula.
I was getting confused with that only.
Oh, okay. Prakriti plus pratyaya is the general formula. But if you want a kriya padam, the verb form, to a dhatu, you have to take pattanra dhatula, you have to add ting and pratyaya to get a verb form, like patati, patavaha, patama.
These are only formulas.
It's a formula. Sanskritla, everything is a formula.
I was so confused. Like, then how I was confused that how we got dhatu plus thing equal to thing, then I was hiding that doubt.
Tigantam, ama, tigantam. அதே மாதிரி நாமபதம்க்கு பிராதிபதிகம் plus sup will become subantam. So Hari plus sup will become Harihi, like that. Okay. Same thing here they have shown. So you have kriya padam, namapadam. Dhatu oda thing add panna kriya padam varum. Pratipadikam oda sup add pannona subantam varum. Subantamna enna? Namapadam, nouns, Rama, Krishna, like that. Nadi, all that. Tingantamna verb. You can change dhatu to the pratipadikam. You can see that later. ஒரு கிரியா பதம்னா what and all we need? Purushaha, like I read, you read, they read. So prathama purushaha, madhyama purushaha, uttama purushaha. Vachana, again, I read, we two read, we all read. So ekavachana,
dvivachanam, bahuvachanam.
Lakaraha, present tense, past tense, future tense, all that. Let, all that. Padi. Sanskritam has three kinds of verbs. We have learned only Parasmay Padi. There is something called Atmanepadi and Ubhayapadi. That we learn later.
Vastu.
Verbs liye, the Kriya Padatliye, there are three forms. Till now we have learned only Parasmaipadi. And Prayogaha. Prayogaha is the active voice, passive voice, and mood voice. Kartari, Karmani, Bhave. Kartari, Karmani, Bhave. So, active voice is I read a book.
Vastu.
Book is read by me.
Okay, prayoga is like, it's like instrument, no?
Prayoga is active voice, passive voice. நான் புக்கை படிக்கிறேன், நான் புஸ்தகத்தை படிக்கிறேன். புஸ்தகம் என்னால் படிக்கப்படுகிறது.
Okay, Vastu.
So this is let. Remember? Patati,
Patati,
patataha,
patanti, patasi, patataha, patata, patami, patavaha, patamaha.
This is Vartamana let, which is present. This is future. Lirit. Patishyati, patishyataha, patishyati, patishyasi, patishyataha, patishyata.
Vartamana and bhavishyati. Present tense and future tense.
Correct. So you have to remember that this is let in Sanskritam, this is lirit in Sanskritam. Then we have past tense, which is called
Bhuta lang.
Lang. Bhuta lang. Apatat, apatatam, apatan.
Apatan, apataha,
Apatatam,
apattam,
patata. Apatata.
apatata, apatam, apatava, apatam.
So that's all. Classes over. Let me stop with the prayer and then if you have any question, I'll take.
Vastu.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Tat Sat. That Velini we were saying, no? Let me stop the recording.